This documentary takes you on an in-depth journey into the world of alcohol's effects on the human body and mind. Drawing from the insights of Dr. Andrew Huberman, a neuroscientist and professor at Stanford University, we'll explore the science behind this widely consumed substance. Imagine a glass of alcohol as a key that unlocks your body's most intimate systems. It moves through your cells, alters your brain, and impacts every organ along the way. In this journey, we'll uncover what happens when alcohol enters your bloodstream, how it rewires your brain, and why its long-term effects reach far beyond the occasional hangover. As you take your first sip of alcohol, visualize the liquid traveling down your throat like a river flowing into a vast network of canals. This is the beginning of alcohol's journey. Ethanol, the active ingredient, rapidly enters your bloodstream, bypassing barriers that most substances can't cross. Picture ethanol as a shape-shifting molecule, dissolving into both water and fat, making it uniquely capable of penetrating every cell in your body. Inside your liver, ethanol is broken down in a biochemical assembly line. First, it's converted into acetaldehyde, a highly toxic compound. Then, it's transformed into acetate, a smooth, neutral molecule. This acetaldehyde is what gives you the intoxicating effects, as if it's throwing wrenches into the cogs of your brain's machinery, causing the circuits to misfire. Zoom into the brain, where alcohol's effects are most profound. The prefrontal cortex, depicted here as the brain's control tower, governs rational thinking, impulse control, and decision-making. As alcohol floods this region, imagine the control tower's lights flickering and its operators abandoning their posts. The result? You talk louder, laugh more, and make impulsive decisions. Social inhibitions melt away as the control systems falter. But this isn't just about one night of lowered inhibitions. Regular alcohol consumption rewires the brain, carving habitual and impulsive behaviors into its pathways like grooves in a record. Even when you're sober, these changes persist. Now, shift focus to the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal HPA axis, the body's stress response system. Imagine this as a delicate seesaw, perfectly balanced to handle life's ups and downs. Alcohol disrupts this system, tilting the seesaw drastically. Cortisol, the stress hormone, floods your body even when you're not drinking, leaving you in a state of heightened baseline stress. This is a vicious cycle. You drink to relax, but over time, the stress only grows. Dive deeper into the brain's memory center, the hippocampus. Here, alcohol acts like a fog rolling in, obscuring the formation of new memories. Picture moments disappearing into the mist, leaving you with gaps in your recollection. This is the phenomenon of blackout drinking. Where experiences are lived but not recorded, alcohol doesn't stop at the brain. It wreaks havoc on your gut microbiome, the bustling ecosystem of bacteria that supports digestion and immunity. Imagine a thriving city inside your intestines, with bacteria as its industrious citizens. Alcohol storms in like a hurricane, destroying this balance and leaving the gut's protective walls weakened. This breach allows toxins to escape into the bloodstream, triggering systemic inflammation. The journey continues into the bloodstream, where alcohol's effects extend to hormones. In a process called aromatization, testosterone is converted into estrogen. Elevated estrogen levels can lead to changes in body composition and an increased risk of estrogen-related cancers affecting both men and women. Ethanol disrupts cellular repair mechanisms. Each drink increases the risk of cancers like liver, breast, and colorectal cancer. Alcohol also sabotages sleep, often mistaken as a sedative. While it may help you fall asleep faster, it suppresses REM sleep, the restorative phase of the sleep cycle. Picture a peaceful dreamscape being interrupted by abrupt lightning strikes, leaving the dreamer unrested and disoriented. Dehydration and toxin buildup further amplify hangover symptoms, shown as a time-lapse of a wilting flower trying to recover. Repeated exposure to alcohol creates a dangerous cycle of tolerance and dependence. Over time, the pursuit of alcohol's initial rewards leaves only exhaustion and diminishing returns. In conclusion, alcohol is more than a simple beverage. It's a powerful substance that infiltrates nearly every system in your body. Understanding its effects allows us to approach it with caution and awareness. This isn't about abstinence for all, but about empowering you to make informed choices. Visualize alcohol not as an enemy, but as a double-edged sword, capable of celebration and connection, but wielded with care. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights.